Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error D3 DX9 DLL missing file. This will be a quick fix guide and I'm going to show you two ways to do this. Just make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below which worked for you. First option would be go to your browser, write down DirectX end user runtime web installer, and you will see Microsoft.com. Choose the second option, which is from July 2023 on June 2010. Just make sure it's this one. Then you're going to click download and you will have your file then. So you will have it here. All you have to do is just double click on it. Then click yes. And now you will need to choose where you want to add it. So add it wherever you want, then click OK. So for example, I added there to the local app data. So you want to go ahead and find that file now. And once you will find it, here it is. You want to run DX setup. Just double click on it. And after that, it will open up. You will need to go ahead, accept the agreement, and basically install DirectX. I already have it, so I'm not going to install it again. But basically, once you will do that, all you have to do after, you want to restart your PC and see and boot your game. Now that should fix the problem. If not, you want to go ahead again to your browser and write down this DLL download and go to dllfiles.com. Scroll down until you will see all of these options. Now you want to go to about your PC, and after that you will see system type. It's 64-bit for me, and if it's 64-bit then you're going to choose this option too, and you're going to click download here. Now that file will be right there. And all you have to do is just unzip it and go ahead and copy this file, DLL file. Just go ahead and copy it. Then go to your local disk C, Windows, and after that, go ahead and find folder System32 and paste that file here. And then go back to Windows here. And if you're having 64-bit operating system, then you're going to open this up, syswow64, and you're going to paste it here too. And after that, just don't forget to restart your PC and boot your game. That should fix the problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.